Enlargement falls under the topic of transformation of plane figures. It involves increasing or decreasing the size of a plane figure using ratios. A transformation can be defined as a way of changing the size or position of an object or figure. For one to successfully enlarge an object, they must have two critical pieces of information. That is the scale factor, which implies a number which scales or multiplies some quantity, and then the center of enlargement, which is the reference or starting point. The center of enlargement can be outside, inside, on the edge, or at the corner of the shape being enlarged. The image may overlap the shape or may be inside the shape. It is important under enlargement to note that the object lines and the images are parallel. The length of the lines of the objects and their images in the same ratio, and the angles remain the same. Basically, the object and its image are similar. Let's have an example. In this demonstration, you will need a graph paper, a pair of compass, a pencil, and a ruler. And for demonstration purposes, I will use a red pen. Draw well labeled axes on the graph. Ensure the axes on the graph paper are strategically placed to give room for object and image coordinates. The axes should have a consistent scale. Accurately plot the points of the vertices. After accurately plotting the points, join them to form an object or a shape. We then locate the coordinates of the center of enlargement, and in this case the coordinates are 0, 0. Using a ruler, draw a straight line from the center of enlargement through each of the points and ensure it goes well beyond the respective points. Using a pair of compass, put the compass pointer at center O and stretch to each of the points, say point A. Since the scale factor is 2, we mark off the distance OA twice from point O along the straight line drawn from O through A to give us the image A prime. Repeat the step for points B and C to get the remaining image points B prime and C prime. Join A prime, B prime, and C prime to find the image triangle. Finally, we can read off the image coordinates, and in this case our A prime is 2, 6, our B prime is 6, 6, and then C prime is 6, 2.